these are all the orders that we are shipping out today. So let's test one and show you how they actually work. Well, this one goes to Sean from New York. So don't worry about that, Sean. We are going to be actually sending you 2 extra for this test. Now, let's see. 2 inside the box. Let's sprinkle some dust. And then put it on top. Pull the dust removing tape. Swipe and then peel. You can now swipe the edges. And as you can see, no dust, no air bubbles, less than 15 seconds. Privacy version protects your privacy from both sides at 28 degrees. There is a transparent version too. Our hydrophobic